Ah, we're here.
We are at Bimini. We're gonna go explore a little bit.
Do you remember going to sleep last night?
No, felt like a rock.
I crawled in that bed full of salt, salty husband last night.
It still is. How is the island like?
You're gonna be impressed. People driving on the wrong side of the road.
Somebody behind you!
I think the boat was bad.
Wow, look at the water. Let's check it out. The water. Wow! Wow, the water! The water!
He was always telling me, crystal clear water, so what?
The water! The water! How cool is that?
That's very amazing. As long as we don't hit this shit, we'll be happy. All right, your turn to drive.
The car just died, so we're gonna push it.
Oh, another adventure.
Definitely looks like a conch house, so there's nothing on the menu but the conch. You guys should see this. Mountain of conch.
What do you want your conch with? Conch or conch? Can you imagine a diver, a 65-year-old diver, free diving to 30 feet, grabs a conch shell, comes back up, throws it on the boat, back down again, over and over and over. After approximately 30 shells, the boat travels 4 miles to this amazing little shack called Stewart's. Then the conchs are handed over to a conch cleaner who hits the shells with the claw of the hammer on the spiral end. A quick turn of the knife, the conch drops out of the shell. Briskly it moves to Stuart, the owner, who then cleans it and chops in small bite-sized pieces. A little tomato, a little pepper, a little fresh lime. Oh, and don't forget the hot sauce right at your table. He's waiting for me to eat it. I see you over there. He's like, let's see this. Excellent.
Wow. It's really good.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So good we had to go back and have 3 more tries at this place.
Second bowl.
I never thought I would be loving conch.
So good.
Conch graveyard. That happened here. If you slip, you're gonna have How many should I mash?
I'll have 3, please.
Let's find a smaller one for you.
Just little ones. Whatever it is, William is a professional.
Well, we have a definite tool for this. Wow. Super salty.
Wow. You're right. This is like eating sea water.
They don't taste like the Miami ones. I guess this is what they taste like when they're wild.
Huh. That's pretty weird, huh?
I've had a lot of stone crab, but I never tasted them that salty. Let's go inside and have a feast. Hey! Uh-huh.
Eat it at night.
Back in the pack. We were counting. There's one missing. Looks like yours. It's a Wi-Fi security camera that runs off of Wi-Fi and charges solar, no batteries. It's outside and they see even at nighttime and stream live to whatever location we're at. And they only record when there's motion.
That's pretty cool.
So we can see what's going on in our boat anywhere around the globe through Starlink.
So what happens if the Starlink dies down?
If you shoot the Starlink with a gun, there's no security.
Don't shoot the Starlink.
If you shoot our Starlink, you're going to get shot back.
Mr. Serious.
Get away from our boat or we're going to have to
Do what?
flamethrower you.
Flamethrow at you.
I'm going to shoot you with that flare gun.
Ooh, I'm so scared.
When your little butt's on fire, you're going to be scared.
Can you actually hear me?
I can hear you fine and I can see your teeth smashed against the camera.
Sorry. Is that bad?
This is a long distance camera, not one that you swallow. Goodbye, Anthony.
Goodbye.
Doesn't take much to entertain you.
That was a lot of fun, by the way.
So we're going to go put this in the front of the boat, and that way when people go by, I can test that you're on the dock.
All right.
Security camera, that's not a vlogging camera.
Are they from Amazon or where did you order them?
No, my brother got them. Yeah, so this comes with a solar panel you mount next to it, and the solar panel charges the battery, which is all waterproof. You don't have to run any power, run any battery. It talks, it sees at night, and it links to Wi-Fi.
I don't think I'm going to be doing anything too risky on this voyage. Just in case.
Don't worry, I'll just take care of you after medicine mechanic. Well, 5 minutes into the ride, the seat's broken and we're riding on top of the motor.
You should be happy you're riding.
Alright, thanks. Shit. This is where I come for paperwork. Interesting. And customs. So we've got about 2 hours to leave because we've got wind and we've got to get around the top of the island. Just 3 things. Make sure you look out for sand, weed, and rock.
Why is that?
We have to drop the anchor in sand. If it's in the rocks and we get the anchor stuck, we'll never get it back out again. Well, there's sand about 2 or 3 feet over rock, so at least the sand with the anchor and the chain is going to hold us. We don't have any big winds coming for the next 4 or 5 days, so we should be okay on our first anchorage.
Well, it's not like we can retrieve this anchor. How many pounds is that?
177 pounds.
Wow.
You know, we always have to dive the anchor.
Have you seen the sharks here? Well, I guess that's where we're gonna fish instead of you.
Ever gonna get to use my diving stuff?
No. Engineer needs to stay on board just in case of the boat break. All the trash needs to be removed. Interestingly enough, no trash cans at Anchorage.
A whole new dimension in taking out the trash. All right, time to get this motor started. Fingers crossed. Patience. I forget I have to wait a little while for this pump to get fuel all the way to the motor.
I'm always so nervous before we leave.
We have a lot of easterly winds, so we're gonna have to fly out of here really fast.
On this boat, fly. Yeah, right.
You're gonna take the bow line off, and the wind's gonna want to be blowing us against that other boat.
Not good.
Based on what happens with the motor, and I'm backing up, you're gonna undo this cleat and hold the line, which is gonna keep us close to this area. That's kind of the plan. If it all goes to shit, then I'm just gonna yell.
Went to shit.
Got it?
Yep. All right, guys. Wish us luck. Every time we're doing this, I have dreams about bow thrusters, stern thrusters. I'm like, oh, that would be so nice. See all these people coming in the marina like a breeze. I'm like, that could have been us, but it's not.
So you're gonna have to throw the bow line and quickly come back here. Grab that one, hold on to it.
All right. Pretty good. Good job. Like for real, you upped your game.
Yeah.
Good job, wow.
Not much choice. I don't want to hit that $4 million yacht next to it.
I'm impressed.
Impressions are great. Good job with the lines. Couldn't have done it without you.
I know.